In this video, we will see how to assign resources to our tasks. There are many ways we can assign resources to tasks. Let's see them one by one. First one is using assign the resource dialog box. For example, I am selecting clearing bushes activity, and then in resource tab, go to assignment sections, click assign resources. The dialog box pops out. From here you can select any resource you want to assign. As I have selected the clearing bushes activity, I will select site clearing service resource and click assign. The resource will get assigned here. You can see in the cost column you can enter amount the resource will cost for that activity. For example, it will take 5000, so I entered 5000 here. Second method is in task form view. Go to the task form. You will see the screen like this. Here you will see activity name, and here you can find the resource names and select the resource you want. The task form gets very useful when assigning resources. You can view Gantt chart and a task form in one screen. Let's see how we can do this. You have to be in a Gantt chart view first, then in a task tab, in property section, click details. You will see the task form here. From here you can see all the details in the Gantt chart, and also you can assign resources in a task form view. If you don't want this, you can drag this down, it will disappear. Third way is assigning resources in Gantt chart table. Again, obviously you have to be in a Gantt chart view first, then create a column resource names. I have already created one. I will show you again. Right click on the columns, then insert column. You will find resource name here. Select resource names, and you can see the resources names in front of the task you have created, and you can easily assign them. Just click on the down arrow on the right side of the cell, select whichever resource you want and assign them. If some of the tasks have similar resources, you can always copy paste them using a shortcut keys, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Next one can be helpful and gets handy to filter resources by categories. Go to the resource assignments, check or turn on the filter by option here. In the drop down list, there are many useful options you will find here, like resource types, material cost, work, and many more, like created after, range, group, etc. If you want to sort particular group of resources, for example you want to see only reinforcement, what you can do is select the group, then select reinforcement, and here you can see the resources which come under the reinforcement group. So likewise you can use and assign them. Can we sort resources according to who are available to work? Can we do that? Yes, we can. In same assign the resource dialog box, available to work option. Check that box and select how much time resource should be available to do that particular task. For example, if you think that task may take around 2 hours, then you can sort resources by the amount of time which are available to work for 2 hours there. When you are assigning material resources, make sure that you type a correct quantity in unit cell, and in the case of cost resource, enter cost in the cell. We have seen how to assign resources to tasks. In next video we will see in details what is work duration and units, and task types like fixed units, fixed duration and fixed work. Stay tuned and do subscribe my channel.